Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm aware there's a lot of native pasta recipes on the internet, but trust me, nothing beats this one that I'm about to show you. In this video, you're going to learn one or two things, and without wasting time, let's get started. Into a pan, I'm going to add some crayfish and dried fish. This is the dried fish I want to use. You can use any one of your choice. Then I'm going to add some uziza seed into the pan as well. And to unleash all the flavors of all of these things, I'm going to toast them on a low heat for about 1 minute. This is called native spice. You can use it for your native soups. After toasting, you're going to transfer into a blender and blend into powder form. These are the peppers that I'm going to be using. I have some tatashe, chili pepper, I have yellow pepper, and a little bit of atarodo. I'm going to roughly blend this and set aside. Next, I'm going to add some palm oil into a pan to make my sauce. Allow this to heat up a little, then go in with chopped onions and locust beans. Locust beans is optional. Saute and stay on low heat for a few seconds. And then go in with the blended spice. Continue stirring this while cooking on low heat for a minute until fragrant. Once fragrant, we're going to go in with the blended pepper and fry on low heat for approximately 2 minutes. Add in smoked fish and Ponmo, then give it a good stir and cook on low heat for another 1 minute. Then you're going to add seasoning and salt into the sauce. Then you're going to continue cooking again for a few minutes. So you're going to add salt into boiling water. Then you're going to add the pasta. Please do not break your pasta. Oh, Nigerians, some people like breaking spaghetti. Not be so, fine boy, fine girl. Please stop breaking your spaghetti. You're going to cook your pasta on medium heat until soft. Not very soft, please. Don't overcook your pasta. While the pasta is ready, transfer into the sauce. We're going to gently combine all of this together till it is well combined. Then we're going to garnish with vegetables of choice. You can use ugu, scent leaves, spinach, or uziza leaf. I use scent leaves because I really love the aroma of scent leaves. We're going to mix this all together neatly. And then just like that, your pasta is ready. Then you can proceed to serve this and enjoy. Will you be trying this? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're yet to. Thank you once again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.